In this video, we will see the treatment of existing goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. Let's see the meaning of existing goodwill. Existing goodwill refers to goodwill that is already recorded as an asset in the balance sheet of the firm. So in small sums, the phrase goodwill appears in the books at rupees XXX amount will tell you that there is already goodwill appearing as an asset in the balance sheet of the firm. Now such goodwill is purchased goodwill, since as per Accounting Standard 26, only purchased goodwill can be recorded in the books of accounts. So self-generated goodwill cannot be recorded in the books of accounts. So since it's been recorded already in the books of accounts, it has to be only purchased goodwill. Now next we'll see the treatment of existing goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. Treatment of existing goodwill. Existing goodwill is to be written off among the old partners in old profit sharing ratio. The journal entry will depend on whether the fluctuating capital method is being followed or whether the fixed capital method is being followed. Where the fluctuating capital method is being followed, the journal entry is to debit the old partner's capital account and credit goodwill account with the amount of the existing goodwill, and this has to be written off among the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So we'll credit goodwill account with the amount of the existing goodwill and debit all the old partners with the amount of existing goodwill which is written off in old profit sharing ratio. Narration: being existing goodwill written off among old partners in old profit sharing ratio. Now, if the fixed capital method is being followed, we need to write it off among old partners' current account in old profit sharing ratio. So the journal entry would be old partners' current account debit to goodwill account. We will credit the goodwill account with the amount of the existing goodwill and write it off among old partners' current account in their old profit sharing ratio. So now that we've learned the treatment of existing goodwill, in the upcoming series of videos, we will see the treatment of goodwill, the journal entries that has to be passed for goodwill treatment at the time of admission of a partner.